Namaste, everybody. It's Christina with Bhakti Yoga once more. I wanted to introduce this week on the Brahmari Breath. And Brahmari Breath is the breath of the bumblebee. So it's that really high humming sound that you'll hear. It's not practiced very often, but when it is practiced, it is extremely meditative. And it also creates a sense of a vibration throughout the entire body when we practice this breath. It's typically done also after you've practiced the Dirga breath, which we've went through, as well as the Ujjayi breath, which we've also practiced throughout the course of the weeks or over the last couple of weeks. And so this week, we are going to work on Brahmari breath. This breath is also practiced after Kapalabhati breathing, which is the skull shining breath, which is the pumping of the belly. And that is one that we're going to learn next week. And I encourage us to practice that on an empty stomach in the morning or before you go to bed, and then do the Brahmari breath afterward as you go from a peak to a valley. So you go from high to low. So it's something that, it's a breath that is going to help you through your meditation practice. Now, how we perform the Brahmari breath is you're going to take your hands, and I know it looks really funny, and it's totally worth taking your little pictures over because it will make you laugh. It's really funny to look at, but it's actually really amazing. And what I encourage you to do is at least do it 3 times, and you can do this sitting upright, or you can do this laying down on your back. When I went through my very first teacher training in Florida, we did ours either laying down on our back, which was the first time we tried it, and then we did it sitting up. And my teacher, Kelly Brookbank, just blew me away. We call her the Pranayama princess because she is so amazing at going through all of the different types of pranayama that we offer in the yoga practice. And she can give you a plethora of information, in whom of which I am really inspired by, so that I can teach you what I learned through her. So you're going to take your peace fingers and you're going to cover your eyes with your peace fingers. That's going to be the first step. The second step is you're going to take the ring finger and you're going to place it right above your upper lip and right underneath your nose. So it's going to look something like this so far. Now your pinkies are going to come underneath your lower lip. So you're going to look kind of funny. I can't see myself. I probably look awesome. Then you're going to take your thumbs and you're going to place them in your ears, just like so. And you're going to pull the skin a little bit apart from here and then draw your lips together on your breath. Now this is where you're going to invite the Ujjayi breath, or you're going to invite the Dirga breath. Either or, you're going to breathe in through the belly and really fill up. And then when you exhale, you're going to exhale with a humming sensation with the tongue touching the back of your teeth. And in the Hatha, I want to read this quote to you. In the Hatha Yoga Pradipika, it says in Sutra 468, by YONI mudra, this is known as YONI mudra, thus with the ears, nose, and mouth closed, a clear and distinct sound is heard in the purified Sushumna. And what is Sushumna? It's the central nadi running through the center of the spine from the base to the top of the head. And what is Nada yoga? The yoga of the mystic sound. So I felt compelled to share that with y'all. So let's try this breath together 3 times, okay? Inhale. Make sure to take your fingers to cover your eyes. I'm peeking at you guys. Ring fingers right underneath the nose. Pinkies underneath your lip. All right? It's like a superhero mask. And then we're going to take our thumbs into our ears. Inhale deeply. Tongue to the back of your teeth. Exhale. And I invite you to sit in meditation for a few moments when you're complete with your practice. Notice how you feel, and if any colors or sensations or vibrations that stimulated something for you came up, I invite you to journal that as well. As we discover more of the Pranayama series in our practice over the next couple of weeks, things are going to begin to shift in your practice. And if you're implementing these breath into your practices at home, then I'm going to encourage you to also journal so that what you're beginning to see is part of the manifestation of what we just learned about the Sushumna. So keep that in mind when you are in your meditation and when you're practicing this breath. One more time. Let's take it one more time together. Thumbs into the ears. Inhale.